Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorials guys, we have studied some logical functions. And now in today's class, we will also learn about some more logical functions. And this is the last part of this logical DAX function category. And from next class guys, we will start new category of DAX functions. So let's start the class guys. And here are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this switch DAX function. So let's go to the reference page and here we will read the definition. It evaluates an expression against a list of values and return one of multiple possible result expressions. So with the help of this switch function, we can replace any value according to our requirement. You can say it guys, it's just similar like an if statement. But with the help of switch function guys, we don't need to write if condition multiple times. You can say that guys, this is an advanced version of if statement. And you guys can also see the parameters. We have just 4 parameters: expressions, value, result and else. And let me scroll it down. If you guys see in this example, here are some values, which are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So with the help of switch statement guys, 1 switch with January, 2 switch with February and 3 switch with March. So in this way guys, we can switch the value with the help of switch statement. And now let's go to the Power BI desktop. So let's go to the data view. And from here guys, I am taking new calculated column. You guys can also use with this measure, but here I am taking calculated column. And let's suppose my column name is abbreviations. And now I will write my switch statement. So I will write switch here. So under expression guys, I am using this country column because we want to set the condition on country column. So I will simply write country, which is from the country table, comma, and now look at the next parameter, which is value 1. So under value 1 guys, we need to enter the value. So our value is India. So I will start inverted comma and write India and inverted comma close, comma, and the next parameter is result 1, which means which result you want to see. So I want to switch with this IND, that is the abbreviation of India. So I will start inverted comma and simply write IND and inverted comma close, comma, and the next parameter is value 2. So guys, if you wanna write in a same line, you guys can do that. But if you wanna jump into the next line, so you need to enter shift plus enter. And now I will write my second condition. So inverted comma start. So our second value is China. So I will simply write China here in inverted commas, comma, and our result 2 is CHI, which is in inverted commas, comma, and now we need to enter the third condition. So I will press shift plus enter to jump into next line. So again I will write inverted comma and write the third value. So our third value is USA, inverted comma close, and I want to see as only US, inverted comma close and comma, and again I need to press shift plus enter. The last result we have this Australia. So I will simply write inverted comma and write Australia, inverted comma close, and I want to see Australia as AUS and close the bracket. So here we can see guys, we have one more parameter which is else. So we will talk about it later. So let me close the bracket and hit enter. So here is the answer guys, and in this way we can use this switch statement. You can see guys, India become IND, China become CHI and USA become US. And now let me go here in measure and let me edit this. So let's suppose I want to set only these two conditions. So we have one more parameter guys, which is else. That means if result is not found, so in that place you can use any value. So I have edited Australia here, and instead of Australia I will write if record is not matched, it display as Shubham, and close the bracket. So here we can see guys, if Australia is not matched under this switch function, it displaying as Shubham. I hope guys now you are clear with the function of switch statement. So please do more practice and try to explore more about this DAX function. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class, which is true and false. So let's go to the reference page. So here we can see guys, it returns the logical value which is true. And here is no parameter of this true logical function. So let me scroll it down. And here we can see guys, they have used true or false function with if statement. If the sum of sale is greater than 2 lakh, its result is true. By default, else false. But if you observed here guys, they have not used text within inverted comma or else. They directly use true DAX function here. So let's go to the Power BI desktop. So go to the data view, and we will also take similar example which we have seen on Microsoft page. So I will take new calculated column from here, and let me edit this name as true. And now I will write my DAX function with if condition. If, so under logical test guys, I will take this sales column which is from the sales table. If sales is greater than equal to 3000, comma, and now I will use my DAX function which is true, and hit enter. So here we can see guys, wherever the sales is greater than 3000, it displaying as true, else false. And now let me edit this measure. So I will put here false function. That means if our sales is greater than 3000, it is true, else false. And now I will replace this measure. So I will take it here as false, and here I will take true. That means if our sales is greater than 3000, it returns false, else true. So here we can see guys, wherever the sales is less than 3000, it returning true, else false. So in this way guys, we can use this true or false DAX function. I hope guys now you have good understanding about all the logical DAX functions which we have studied under this playlist. I am trying to cover each and every important DAX function with the help of this YouTube channel. So I need your support guys to promote this channel. And this is the last part of this DAX logical category. From next class guys, I will start new categories of DAX functions. So stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And let me scroll it down. Under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time in this channel, please subscribe and share in your network. And for job seekers guys, we have this Telegram channel where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you guys can also find latest interview question and answers. And the last thing guys, I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. From day one guys, I will make you prepare for interviews. If anyone interested for paid sessions, so you guys can connect me on LinkedIn as well as Telegram channel. All links are given under the description box. And for free learners guys, we have this YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.